reason why you should click on this link right now and purchase your class. You will get to know yourself better. You will connect with yourself better. You will find out a few things about yourself you never knew before. Especially if you love to dance, you will think differently because this class is powerful. I'm not begging you to purchase the class because I spend time creating the content for you because you've been asking for it. But I can promise you this, just by clicking on this link, you're going to make a big difference in your life and you're going to be proud of who you are. Just do it. At this point, I don't know what to say. You say you love my videos, you love my classes, but now I'm giving it to you online, but you're still not taking it. What's stopping you? Why are you not taking the class when the class is available? 2, the music. You have to listen to the music. You have to know how to follow the beat because that's what's going to give you the rhythm so your body movement can follow the rhythm so you can be in sync. That's what we call musicality and music dance synchronization or synchronization, some people say it. So now there are 3 keywords you have to know about dance. This is not only for ballroom dance, it's not only for individual dance, this is for dance in general. Keywords number 1 is your count. So as a dancer, you have to learn your count. You have to know your count. Because if you don't know your count, you won't be able to follow the music.